How to delete all pins on Pinterest. Start by opening up the Pinterest application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. In the Pin section, tap and hold any pin. Then, tap on the edit icon as shown. Now, if you want to delete this pin, then tap on Delete this pin. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this pin. Another way is by opening the pin. Then, tap on the three dots below it. Tap on Edit Pin. Here, tap on Delete this pin. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You can repeat this to delete other pins on Pinterest as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete all pins on Pinterest.